Alright y'all, before we wrap up this video about audio, let's do a quick back-to-back comparison of all the mics that we've shown you so far. Now you're hearing me talk to the camera's mic. This is me talking to this phone's microphone. This is the audio from the lavalier mic. This is the audio from the 3.5mm shotgun mic. Right now you're hearing the XLR shotgun mic. And lastly, this is the audio from the XLR podcast mic. All right, whatever mic setup you're using, remember that if you're looking to buy a mic, I've got product recommendations spelled out in the audio guide linked in the resources below. And I want you to keep in mind, it's really easy to hear the quality difference between different microphones when you're listening to them in a back-to-back comparison, but most people aren't gonna be doing that when they're watching your video. Like, we've been using a 3.5mm lav mic, which you can get for 20 bucks and plug into your camera basically most of this lesson. And you probably haven't even thought about the audio quality because you could hear what I'm saying clearly. And that's really the most important thing. As long as people can understand what you're saying, the audio is clear, it's not annoying to listen to, then you're good to go. The other thing I want you to keep in mind if you're trying to decide which audio setup should I go with, I want you to think about how executable it is. So like right now, this XLR shotgun mic on the C-stand might be giving us this beautiful audio quality, but if you don't have room to have this set up permanently in your house or wherever you're filming, and you gotta set it up every time, and every time you do that, it's gonna make you wanna throw your hands up and just not film at all, then this is not the right setup. It's not the right choice for you, you know? And it's definitely not the right choice for you if you wanna move around, right? And so go with the audio setup that really works for your budget, for your workflow, and for the type of videos that you wanna make. All right, that's it for the audio lesson, and I'll see you in the next video.
So, I got this heavy doodles. All right, I'm gonna take it, put it right out of frame here, right above Mary's Fred. Fred.